high school and stuff. Ever since I was little, it was there, but now they have a sleep study place there now. This is the town where I grew up in pretty much, and then I went to high school down there. I graduated from this area. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna head up to my appointment. So I'm in the process of packing. Except this is my last thing I will pack, my makeup. So I did win a giveaway from Too Faced. They sent me this foaming cleanser, and they sent me mascara and an eyeshadow palette that I can't find right now. But for my giveaway, I'm gonna be putting these in as well. So I'll show you guys what you guys will be getting in another video. Look, I have all of these things that haven't been used, so you're gonna get a bunch of goodies in there. So we're in the process of removing this AC right now. Let me move this thing so you can get out of my brother's way. No, you stay there. Stay there. I am cleaning out my bathroom and stuff. Oh, that's all my crap in there, all my skincare, my hair stuff. Oh, goodness. I got this shirt from, what is it called, that Teesprings, but I don't like the way it's not like a dark color. It's kind of like a faded color, and they didn't write Nevaeh's name correctly, but I like the flower, and this is Kristilani and Nevaeh, but they didn't write it correctly, so I didn't want to order any more shirts from them. I think this should be more a darker black, but anyways, yeah, so I'm starting to clean up. I've done that. I just have to clean inside and stuff. Yes, I slowly but surely am getting my things done. I have like tomorrow I'll be moving at 10:30 in the morning, so all those cabinets are filled out already. Yes. I was just kind of being lazy today. I gotta clean all this, but my makeup will be the last one that I will move, like I said earlier. I'm moving all my stuff out. I did get this closet done, almost. See? I'm just waiting for the last minute to do all this. So, I'm getting there, guys. So I'm gonna close out this video. And yeah, and then I'll vlog again tomorrow. We're gonna go into our new house. And you know, for me, it's a big deal because my son is gonna come back and live with me, so that's awesome. The last time he lived with me, he was 2 years old. He's 29 years old right now. And slowly but surely, my life is getting back in order. I'm getting a relationship with my kids, you know? So nothing is better than that. And my family, so that's important to me. Alright guys, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys.